Alright, welcome back to my class. In this video, we are asked to integrate to evaluate this integral. The integral of x squared over x minus 1 dx. The boundary is from 0 to 3. Okay? So solution, first of all, let us find this. Now, if you look at it, this is improper fraction. So to make it proper, we have to, this is bigger than this. So to make it proper, we have to divide it by normal polynomial. So this is x squared. So division of polynomial. So remember, the first one divided by the first one, you have x here. X times this, I'm going to have x squared. And x times this, I'm going to have minus x. So if I subtract, this minus this is gone. Minus minus is plus. So I'm left with just x here. So divide again. This divided by this, I'm going to have plus 1. The 1 times this, I'm going to have x. The 1 times this, I'm going to have minus 1. If I subtract again, I'm going to have this minus this is gone. Minus minus is plus. I'm left with this. So the answer to this, the answer to x squared over x minus 1 is something as saying this is the quotient s plus 1, then plus that remainder over the quotient again. The remainder over the divisor. Look at what I mean by that. If I have that 4 divided by 3, this is all 4 divided by 5. This is 1 remainder 2, right? So the answer is simply 1 the whole number plus that remainder divided by the divisor. So that is why the answer to 5 over 3 is set as 1 whole number 2 over 3. So 1 whole number 2 over 3 is something as 1 whole number plus 2 over 3. So that is that 1 on top. So x plus 1 is the quotient plus my remainder here is 1 over the divisor. So that is that. So let us now put it inside integration to find our answer. So the integral of this thing is simply the integral from 0 to 3. Let me be sure. From 0 to 3. Okay, yeah, from 0 to 3 of, instead of writing this one now, I will now write what? X plus 1 over x minus 1 dx. So this is equal to, the integral of this is what? X 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Integration simply say add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. Plus 1 is something as saying x raised power 0. So I have plus 1 and then 0 plus 1. Add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. But this one is that if you differentiate the denominator and you are getting the numerator, your answer is simply ln that denominator. Ln that denominator. So I have a boundary from 0 to 3. Okay, so this is now 1 over 2 s squared plus x plus ln x minus 1. So this is now, when we put the upper bound, which is 3, is going to be 3 squared over 2 plus 3, then plus ln 3 minus 1. So minus, when I put 0, I will now have 0 squared over 2 plus 0 plus ln 0 minus 1. So having this, I'm going to have that this is 9 over 2 plus 3 plus ln 2. Ln 2. Ln 2 is giving us 0.69. 0.69. Then minus, this is 0, this is 0. Ln minus 1. Ln minus 1. So ln minus 1 is error. Okay, so ln minus 1 is error. So with me, this side is gone. So I'm left with just these ones now. So if I add this, I'm going to have, this is something as 4.5. This is something as 4.5. So add everything together. You're going to be having 4.5 plus 3 plus 0.69. So I'm having 8.19. 8.19 as the result. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye.